Title: Unleashing the Power of Forex Psychology, Your Path to Trading Success. Welcome, fellow traders, to a transformative journey that transcends the traditional boundaries of Forex trading. Today we embark on a profound exploration into the captivating realm of Forex psychology. Get ready to unlock the hidden potential within you, conquer your inner hurdles, and step into a mindset of unwavering success. Forex trading is not simply a game of numbers and strategies. It's a battle fought within the depths of our minds. It demands an unparalleled level of self-discipline, emotional resilience, and unshakable mental strength. Mastering the intricacies of Forex psychology is the key to achieving consistent profitability and long-term success in the world's largest financial market. This motivational video serves as a compass, guiding you towards the pinnacle of trading excellence. It will illuminate the psychological challenges that traders inevitably encounter and provide you with the invaluable tools and strategies to conquer them. One of the first lessons in Forex psychology is understanding the profound impact of emotions on your trading decisions. Fear, greed, impatience. The emotional roller coaster of trading can cloud your judgment and lead to costly mistakes. It is paramount to cultivate emotional intelligence and maintain a balanced mindset, even in the face of uncertainty. Throughout this video, we will explore practical techniques that will empower you to develop a resilient trading psychology. From setting realistic expectations and mastering risk management to embracing a growth mindset and learning from your mistakes, we will delve into the strategies that will elevate your trading performance and enable you to thrive in the dynamic Forex market. Remember to go aggressive to make money and also defensive to keep your money.